Joining us with more is Mark Mahaney, Evercore ISI, head of internet research. We should note Airbnb trading higher on word that hit late Friday that it will join the S&P 500 this month. Mark, good morning.
Good morning, Mike.
So the survey results, it's interesting because we keep thinking maybe that the heavy demand for travel is going to wane, that it was just a little bit of a catch-up. But what does the survey tell us about what to expect for next year?
You're right. It was a bit of a surprise. And so, we've run this survey for 8 years. We always ask, what are your travel intention spends for the following year? You would have thought that we would have peaked out, this year, maybe last year, but we haven't yet. We found a higher percentage, like 50% plan to spend more on travel next year. Last year, that number was 44%. So there is also underlying that some at the margin, slightly greater optimism about the economy. That's what drives that. And then you already mentioned it, but if you think about the major online travel companies, you got your Booking, Airbnb, and Expedia. The one that I thought was most singularly positive, or the results were most singularly positive, was Booking. So hats off to them. They're doing a couple of things right.
Now, for sure, that was the takeaway, although, has the market already figured that out? Booking's been a massive outperformer relative to Expedia for quite a while right now. And I know that Expedia also didn't have exactly negative results, just not as good.
Yeah, that's right. So, these of the three names, if you line them up, the most expensive name or the highest multiple name is Airbnb at roughly 19-20 times EBITDA. Then you have where it's been trading for a good chunk of its time as a public company. And then if you look at Booking, it's more like at 14 times, although the growth rates are relatively similar here. That's one of the reasons why we've always had, or most of the time, have had a preference for Booking in this group. Expedia is kind of the problem child of online travel. It hasn't always been, but it certainly has been for the last, call it 2 or 3 years. It just seems like there are fewer growth initiatives there. And there's one major structural, maybe disadvantage that Expedia has is that it's very focused on the U.S. market. You get much more international diversification out of Booking and out of Airbnb. And that matters in terms of the P&L because the more fragmented the supplier base, which is what you have in international markets, the better the take rates, the better the margins are for essentially the retailer, which in this case is Booking and Airbnb. So Airbnb, hats off to them. They've always executed well. Very consistent management team. CEO's been with the company for 20 plus years. Very impressive what they put together.
In terms of Airbnb, though, certainly it's underperformed the pure hotel stocks. And what does the survey say about demand for alternative lodging? It seems like there's been a little bit of softening along that line.
There has been, Mike. You're right to point it out. So it sort of, we all know, gapped up in that first year of the COVID crisis in 2020. And then it's kind of slipped since then. And it slipped again this last year, which surprised me. Now, the percentage of people who say they'll stay or have stayed in alternative accommodation is still higher than it was pre-COVID, but just modestly. It's kind of like we gapped up and then it's traded back down. Airbnb is a company that I think has really kind of created the TAM, if you will, or at least expanded the TAM, total addressable market. They've made it so much easier for any of us to find these kind of interesting, unique places to stay. And it made it a lot more easier for all of us to become hosts, if we will, though there's still more work to be done there, I think, for Airbnb. But I am surprised that this is a headwind, that you see fewer people wanting to stay in alternative accommodations versus a traditional hotel. For Airbnb to really be bullish on that, on the stock, you have to kind of believe that trend will start reversing now, will start rising again.